Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I'm sorry, I got carried away on this job and I forgot to start filming at the beginning, but I'm going to get you caught up. This is the removal of a rear shock on a C5 Z06 or a regular C5. The two upper bolts are 13 millimeter and I have got them out already. Take them out first. The bottom is a 24 millimeter. You need a box end to hold the front side, and then I would gun it off with an air gun or whatever you got, hand tools if you have it, on the back side. And see, that's loose. The suspension is fully drooped down. If you don't know how to take a wheel off or jack a car up, please look at one of my other videos. I'm jumping in the middle of this. So it's loose. It's basically ready to fall right out. So I'm going to use two hands and pull this bolt and get it out. Now you might think it's stuck in there, but it's really not. These little ears are stuck on the rubber bushing is all. So take a pry bar on the leading edge hole there and just go like that. It's already out, but I'm just showing you. Go like that and it'll come right out. And then it'll fall right down. Okay? Whoops. A little stuck on the upper thing. You have to turn it a little bit, that's all. Just turn it around and get it out. Now, I'm not going to show you how to put the new one in. It would be just the reverse of that, but I don't have the new ones yet to put back in. These are coming out. These are JRI is going to go back for refreshing, and then I'm going to put them on my black C6. Okay, so that's about it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Just removal of rear shocks on a C5 Z06, and you can figure out the install. Just thread it back up in there. Use a little prying if you need to get it around that bottom bushing. Do the top bushing, do the top two bolts first. Then if you need to, jack under this with a bottle jack to get it lined up and shoot the bottom 24 millimeter through there. Okay? Thumbs up or like, this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. So if you've watched very many of Froggy's videos, you know you got to watch it all the way to the end, because sometimes I find a little trick and I throw it in right at the end. And this is the passenger side. And I did have to jack up on this corner a little bit to get clearance from the axle right there, that axle boot thing there. You don't want to tear that, because then you'll be replacing it. But all I did was I jacked up like not even an inch, and I was able to get it loose. Okay, there you go.